Hello sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video I have a project share featuring for this die right here, which is the rainbow shopping bag from Scrapdiva Designs. I will have affiliate links in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. When you use my affiliate links, they don't cost you anything extra, but it does help me and my channel. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So let me share with you the dies that I used in this project. So the first one we're going to look at is it's called the rainbow shopping bag. Sorry, I wanted to add 3D to that. So this is the rainbow, and you cut out as many different pieces as you want to create your rainbow. You also get a bow die with this. Here is your shopping bag, and you only need to cut 2 of these out to create your shopping bag. And then you get 4 pieces to decorate your bow. So in this die set, you get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces in the die set. I love a shopping bag. I don't know why I love this size box, but I do. I really love a shopping bag. So this is a nice die to have in your stash. The next one is this die right here, which is a star nesting set. I used one of these little stars for decorating my bag, and you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7 dies in this set. The largest star measures, let me pull my ruler here. It measures 4 3/8 by, let's see, at this point here would be the same, 4 3/8. So that is that one. Oh, and by the way, the shopping bag measures, when assembled, it would be 3.5 by your corners, which are about 2, and the height of it is about 4 5/8. So a good size one. All right, next I use the party words. Then using the party words, this is a great die to have in your stash. You can use these words for lots of things, and I did use happy birthday in this set, and also the word party. You get several dies in this set. You get happy birthday, which are 2 separate. You get make a wish, which is all one. You get hooray in capital, party in capital, and you get party and a script, and hooray and a script. You get celebrate, and you get happy day, and they all have a backer die on the words. This is a really good one to have in your stash. And again, I used the Frilly Rose flower plate to decorate my projects. So before I show you my projects, let me just say that if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? And I'd love to have you back. And to all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So let me share with you the first one that I created. I did a little shabby chic-ing here. And this is the bow that you get in the die set right here. Super cute. And then you get the piece to decorate it. It gives you a little doily edge. I love that part. And I really created this one a little simple. This is a junk journal kit, and it has these little frames, so I use it to frame the flower. That comes as a fussy cut, and I put a little lace and made this one a little shabby chic. Now this one here, I created this shopping bag as such. You can also put a little ribbon in here and tie it, but I decided to use little clothespins to close my boxes. For this one right here, I created this little bow, again from the die that you get with this little shopping bag. Here are my frilly roses, the word party, and of course this is a cottage girl. And this shopping bag I created a little different. I did not fold this to the inside and glue it. I used it as a flap to go over and close my shopping bag. Super cute. And the next but not least, here is one using the rainbow die, and you can see in the background I did create my rainbow. I have the little frilly roses right here. This is the star from the nesting star set. Here's the bow from the shopping bag die set. And it all came together so pretty. And this is happy birthday from the party words. Super cute. And again, I did create this one with a flap. And all you do is just fold this to the inside and glue it down, or you can cut it off and then use that as a flap if you want to. Whichever way, there's a couple different ways you can do this. And these are a good size bag for little party favors for birthdays. And they're also great for gift giving. So I hope you enjoyed my little project today. It was sweet and short and simple, but they do make up really quick. I will tell you that. So if you're going to make some for a birthday party or even a Christmas or Halloween party, they do make up quick, and they're so darling that you will be glad that you got this die. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.